Hi, hello my loving people. Welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం.
Today I am going to prepare temple Prasadam Pulihora. This tamarind rice is commonly made in South Indian homes and even served as a prasadam in temples. So come on, let's get started. The required ingredients are boiled rice, tamarind pulp, jaggery, salt, curry leaves, hing, green chilies, dry red chilies, white urad dal, turmeric powder, mustard seeds, peanuts, chana dal, fenugreek seeds, coriander seeds, black peppercorns. Take a frying pan and add coriander seeds. Fry it on a low flame. Now add black peppercorns, methi seeds, and dry red chilies. Fry it on a low flame. Now switch off the flame. Once mixture gets cool, now transfer this mixture into traditional grinding stone. Make it into a coarse powder. Now transfer this mixture into a plate. Again take a frying pan and add oil. Once oil get heated, add turmeric powder, mix it once, add mustard seeds, add peanuts, add chana dal, Add white urad dal. Combine everything. Fry it on a low flame. Add green chilies. Add dry red chilies and combine everything. Add curry leaves. Add required amount of hing. Add tamarind pulp. Add required amount of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of masala powder which we prepared before. It gives the flavor of Prasadam Pulihora. Add jaggery. Combine everything until it gets dissolved. It's almost done. Once oil is floating up, now switch off the flame. Add the tamarind mixture to the rice. Slowly mix it everything. Serve this pulihora after resting for a while. Today I served this pulihora in the traditional way.